I'm unmuted. Oh, hey, man. How's it going?
Hey, good to see you.
So nice to see you.
Yeah.
Should I just put this anywhere?
Yeah, sure, go for it.
Thanks, man.
You ready for some quesadillas?
Yeah, hell yeah.
I hope you're hungry. I got something good cooking for you.
Oh, yeah? Well, it better be. Otherwise, apartment, 518 is getting exactly 0 stars on Yelp.
That reminds me. How rude of me, sir. Would you like to hear about our specials?
Here we go.
It's a quesadilla served with the best $1.99 cheese that Target had to offer. And may I recommend our cloudiest snap water. It's fresh, imported from the sewer. And don't get me started on dessert.
How about more cooking the food and less comedy routines? I drove 3 hours to get here and I'm starving.
Okay, all right, almost done. You ready to quesadilla with it?
Are you kidding me?
I don't know, man. It sounded better in my head.
So, what is this?
It's a quesadilla.
And what are you wearing?
A provincial suit.
Why are you in a suit at all?
You ask a lot of questions. I think that's a good sign that this can work.
What does that even mean?
Try the dish and I'll tell you.
Yeah, speaking of which, what is this? I know it's not a quesadilla.
It's my take on a quesadilla.
Yeah, dude, you're kidding me, because there's no way that this is a quesadilla.
Yeah, it's my take on a quesadilla. It's an egg quesadilla. I thought of the idea this morning. Creative, right?
This is an omelet.
I'm struggling to see why you're so caught up in whether it's an egg or a tortilla. What's the difference? Who cares?
That's the only difference.
Look. You like eggs?
Yes.
You like quesadillas?
Sure.
Boom. Egg quesadilla. You're welcome.
Dude. No. You know what? No. It's an omelet. You just took an already existing food and put a more confusing name on it. This is what you do. You come up with these ridiculous scenarios and bring them way too far into reality. I'm sorry, dude. This is nothing new.
Guess what? When Egg Quesadilla, home of the Egg Quesadilla, blows up, you're not getting a cent of royalties.
You can't trademark an omelet.
Tell that to Egg Quesadilla and McGee's, home of the Egg Quesadilla. Patent pending, trademark, storefront, patent pending.
0 stars on Yelp.
You didn't even try.
I'll try it.
Well, what if it's cold? If it's cold, you're never going to invest.
What? Invest?
Well, I wanted to wait until after you tried it, but I wanted you to be the co-founder of Egg Quesadilla McGee's, home of the Egg Quesadilla. All I need is a small loan of $20,000 now and then a 50% equity of this.
I can't lie to you. That is the best damn quesadilla I've ever had in my entire life. I mean, the sauce.
Yeah, the sauce
is
is good, right? Come on.
You know what? Look, this is damn good, okay? Okay, but first, you're getting a new suit tomorrow because you look like the Incredible Jewish Hulk if you went through an awkward puberty stage right before turning green, okay? Look, but this, I like this stuff, okay? I'm gonna do some math. You know, I'm gonna do some more math, right? Get some rest, and I'm gonna call my guys tomorrow.
Let's go. I'll walk you to your car.
Thank you.